Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. I want to go with the buyer. This is a nice little red-green pattern engulf, which can have a retracement. This is my reason to take this trade. We have minor uptrend, and now we are at this base. The preference is just going up. Okay, we don't have any sort of gap here, so it's neutral in terms of gaps. And yes, we have this trend line right here, which has been broken, pulled back. It's going up. The nearest resistance going to be up here. So either the price is going to range here or just going to break to the upside. I feel like it's going to range for a couple of candles now. I will take a smaller trade after this trade because this is against the minor trend. I want to go with the sellers, but since it's against the minor trend, I'm going to take a 500 instead of 1,000. Okay, but also I will take it with marginal safety because we have some rejections up here. We might take the next trade at this common point of rejection, which is a marginal safety. Okay, there's still no gap. I'm waiting for this one to go up so I can enter, and then it's probably gonna reject. Okay, oh no, it didn't even go up. That's kind of sad. Let's see, let's just zoom in. Let's see if it's gonna go up on my common point of rejection. You know, here the preference is having a red candle. Okay, I'll take this lower risk trade. Okay, when you're not sure about a particular trade, you have to take the trade with lower amounts. Okay, in this case, the reason why I took with lower amount, because it's against the minor trend. You know, the minor trend is super important, and in this case we have minor uptrend, and we either gonna range here or it's just gonna break to the upside. All right, yes, it's a losing trade, and which is fine. Okay, I'll go ahead with the next trade. Let's see. All right, it was a losing trade. That's fine. I'm gonna just go to the other charts to see if we can take a couple of beautiful trades. I'm not gonna go crazy. All right. Again, we have a red green pattern, just as the previous one. Let's see. Never go against this. Look at this one. This is uptrend, right? If you count these candles, there's a lot of green ones, but there's less red ones. So obviously we want to go with the majority of the candles. All right. I want to take some good trades today. All right, this is uptrend. We have an engulf, and you know that we can have some setup inside of engulf, right? So I will just go to the lower time frame. This is not a very beautiful, but still this is a QM. The price comes down here. I'm probably gonna enter to this QM area because we are in this uptrend. Let's see if it's gonna come down. All right, we only use lower time frame for advanced setups like QMs. Okay, it didn't come down. It has a gap down, but I don't know. I'm not gonna take the trade that I'm not sure about, so we're just gonna move on. Look at this. All right, I go with the sellers exactly right here, again with 500 because it's still against the trend. I assume that this is an exhaustion candle. It's closing exactly on the round number. That would be nice if it was closing exactly on the seller's entry, but that's still fine. Let's see. All right. This gap down is basically against the sellers, but I think this with 500 instead of 1,000 because it's pretty much high risk because we're going against the minor trend. You're either not going to go against the minor trend, or if you're going, you have to take with lower amount. Okay, if I lose this one, I really have to look for good opportunities. For example, this one also is some sort of exhaustion candle. The sellers are exhausted. They came down here on this doji range. Okay, and then the buyers entered. You know that when we are coming back to the dojis, we can have retracement, right? We have also this gap down, so this trade was a good trade, okay, to take. And based on the market sequence also, this was the third time we were having the green single red candle. After that, just like the previous two times, we could have a green one. So this trade was a really good trade. Okay, all right, it was a winning trade. I'm just gonna move on to other opportunities. All right, I go with the bars right here. I am expecting like this one. I want to go, comes down. I want to go, let's go. I want to go with 1,000 for this one. I can clearly see that we have started in a good trend, and the next leg is going to be this one. And also we have this ABC to the downside, which has been broken, and then we could take this trade, but we have a gap down, so it's in the favor of buyers, so I wouldn't take this one. But I think this one, if you look, this is a trend which is broken, okay, and then pulled back, and now it's going up, okay, and now it's going up. If you look at this one, you can see that it is actually a QM setup, which is super strong. Look at this, A, B, C to the downside, okay, and then break up the previous swing, and then this is a QM zone, and then we have red-green pattern here, and then we have engulfing retracement, which can have this green candle. Beside that, we have minor uptrend. So we had everything to take this trade, but we have a negative thing here as well, which is this gap up, which is in the favor of sellers. Okay, the major is downtrend, but the minor is uptrend in this case. Okay, so that's why I took a pretty good trade on this one. Let's see if we can find another trade. And I just wanted to mention, don't forget to join the Telegram channel. I share some good stuff there. Okay, this is an overlapping level. This is triple green candle. I'm not gonna go against them. Let's see if we're breaking this one, we might take a sell trade here. Okay, let's just see other opportunities for now. All right, do we break in that one? No, we're not breaking that one yet. Let's see if this candle is going to close. After this close, it's going to be a breakout trade. But I need to combine with other stuff. Maybe this round number, maybe this seller's entry. But in this case, it's pretty risky because we don't have anything to combine. I would take this trade, but we don't have anything to combine. This is just a breakout. And since we have 4 green candles, I'm not going to go against them. That's so risky. I'm not going to go against them. Let's see if we can find another opportunity. We really need to be patient. Okay, yeah, you can see that they entered, but since I haven't enough reasons, I'm not going to take that. Okay, this is what everybody should consider. If you don't see enough reasons, just don't freaking take it. Okay, that's pretty simple. We're not going to take random trades. Okay, this is a QM area for me. Let's see if we can have entry. All right, we don't have entry on lower time frame on this one, but this is a QM. Okay, all right, I found an opportunity. Look at this one. I go 2 trades right here. I will explain why. This is beautiful. I believe this should be a winning trade. I'm not gonna accept a losing trade on this one. We have a broken trend line. Okay, after that we have been coming down and breaking this overlapping level, basically a pullback to this area. Beside that, we are in a QM area. Okay, we are in a QM area. This would be pretty, let's go 1 trade right here. This would be a good area for taking the trade, because this is a fresh demand area. They're gonna reject 100%, but oh man, I should have taken this trade with marginal safety. And this breaking this overlap is pretty strong because it's exactly lined up with this pullback to this trend line, which is basic market structure. Okay, and this QM area, you see this huge reaction from this one. I was pretty sure about this, not gonna lie. Yeah, let's just mark this here, and you can see that this QM has the engulf in 5 minutes, so it has higher time frame 5 engulf, and then we should have lower time frame entry 2. Oh, this is gonna be the lower time frame entry. Look at this. Look at this, bro. If I was looking to lower time frame confirmation, I would take my trade on exactly this zone, which is right here. You can see that. So the trade was basically right here, but I took this trade mainly because it was breaking this one, exhaustion candle, okay, so 2, pull back to the trend line 3, and then QM level 4, and also minor uptrend 5, major trend is against us. And also we could say that this is a let me see, market sequence, 3 candles, 3 candles, 3 candles, again 3 candles. After each 3 candle we have a green one. So basically market sequence also confirm that one. That's why I go pretty heavy trade on that one. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't try to imitate what I'm doing, because sometimes I know what a short shot is, and then I take that trade, and some people trying to copy me, and they take random trades and take multiple entries. That's super unhealthy unless you are pretty sure about the trade. Okay, please take that into account. Thank you for watching, everybody. Peace out.